story.
Oh, somebody made up the story?
Yes, you just said tell you what the story.
I thought this was real.
Me too.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Sarah here, the Queen of F.E.A.N, and welcome back to the Chateau for another video. My family and I, we are about to step out of the house and go and meet some of our extended family. We haven't seen them in so long or hung out with them in so long, obviously because of the pandemic. But tonight we are going to go and meet them at a place called Bolero so that we can do a little bit of bowling. I wanted to come on and share with you all what I'm going to wear to a casual family hangout. Okay, so this is what I'm going to wear, just the foundational parts of it all, or actually the full outfit, but I'm gonna add some accessories. So I actually opted to just wear some leggings, some black leggings, and these are my Spanx leggings. I actually have worn these before and talked to you guys about them, but I'm wearing my Spanx leggings. I'm gonna wear this tank top instead of a t-shirt like I normally would wear. Let me tell you guys something about this tank top. I absolutely love it. I purchased this tank top from, actually didn't even buy the tank top, I bought a set from a company called, or from a young lady called Miss Bling Miami. She's on Instagram. She has an online boutique and I think she has some stores in Miami, I do believe. But I bought a little set from her and the tank top came with the set for free. Guys, if I could buy 20 of these tank tops by itself, I would. I absolutely love the quality. They're nice and thick. You don't have to worry about, you know, being able to see through them. They come down pretty far, so they're not too short. I love this tank top and definitely will put a link down below to her online boutique because obviously you can't buy the tank top by itself, but there are some very cute sets that she sells that may come with the tank top, so you may want to check that out. I wanted to just keep it like comfy, obviously because we are bowling, but you know, just add a little something. So I put on this denim button up and I just opted to leave it open, rolled up the sleeves because you know I'm about to get it in at the bowling alley. And threw on this long necklace here. It's a Michael Kors lock necklace. So yeah, definitely look into Michael Kors jewelry. I really like it, and you'll notice that trend throughout a lot of videos that I upload. I have on this watch here, another battery that just simply does not work, but it's okay because I'm just wearing it as a piece of jewelry. It's a Gucci watch. And it's actually, it's like from their twirl collection some years ago, probably 7 or 8 years ago. But what I really like about it is, yes, it has the clock on this side, but you can twirl it over and it just becomes a piece of jewelry with the Gucci print on it. So pretty cool. Something that you can just throw on when you're super duper casual and wearing silver hardware. I am also going to put on a hat. I bumped the ends of my hair just a very little bit. And to add some pizzazz to the hat, I put my Chanel brooch on it. So here we go. Push the tag in. Just a basic hat I bought from Target, but I put the Chanel brooch on it just to, you know, add a little bit of pizzazz. For shoes, I am going to wear some Chanel boots, and they're basically flat boots. The place that we're going to is inside a mall, so I know we're going to end up walking around, you know, doing a little shopping, window shopping, and yes, I wanted to wear something comfy, so I am going to wear these comfortable Chanel boots in black just to pull together the black and the silver flow. And then as far as a handbag, I am going to carry my Chanel WOC that also has the silver hardware. Just wear it as a crossbody. I know that you can wear it as, you know, like a clutch or, you know, a shorter strap, but I'm going to open it up and wear it as a crossbody because I want to be able to wear it while I'm bowling rather than have someone else hold it for me. I'm also going to put on some perfume. Hello, of course, that's what we do. We like to smell good. It smells pretty darn summery, but I wear my perfumes all year long, just depending on my mood. And I want to feel that upbeat feel that citrus smells give you, and it is a citrusy smell. I'll link it down below if I can find it. As far as makeup is concerned, same old, except I did change my lip a little bit. I have my eyeliner on, brushed up my lashes, and today, instead of wearing Explicit by MAC, I am wearing a Chanel lip gloss. And it's blue, and as you see, it's not showing up blue on my lips. I don't know why that's happening like that, but instead of it showing blue on my lips, it's showing pretty clear. And yeah, I actually absolutely love this. I wear it in a lot of the videos that you guys have seen me in. But either case, this is how I am stepping out today. Let me get out of here so that I can meet my family and not be late for once. children hate telling me stories because they think I ask too many questions. Hold up. They were in the past?
No, it's just the story.
But what is it? I'm saying, like, tell me the story.
Okay. Supposed to be a killer.
King Kong?
Yes.
I didn't know he's supposed to be a killer.
And like,
What's he on?
a probation officer.
I mean, why are you saying that like you know what like you know about that line?
Anyway, so
What's a op?
oh my god.
The opposition.
The opposition?
Can't you just listen to the story before you ask questions? So one of
So like the opposing team.
yeah, anyway.
Okay.
So
So why wasn't he in jail?
okay, he wasn't there. Are you listening? Can you stop asking
Okay,
questions?
Go ahead.
So ends up losing his hearing. So he had a hearing aid.
Oh, really?
He doesn't really have one. It's a story.
Somebody made up the story?
Yes, you just said tell you what the story.
I thought this was real.
Me too.
You did too?
You're not telling them the story. It doesn't matter. So anyway,
I'm not telling the story.
my YouTube.
Oh.
I mean, your YouTube.
Girl, I'm recording all of this. I need them to know this is what happened.
Cousin Love.
Say hi, Tommy.
Guys, Tom's here.
My nephew. The crew.
Guys, it's better.
Shoe comparison. Kids, man.
Which one?
Say what's up, fellas? My nephew.
Most of them don't until after 9:30, but most of the lanes that are ending soon will open up soon. So
Oh, okay, so it's a possibility.
it's a possibility, but it's still like 22 ahead of you.
22?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, cool. Thank you. Unfortunately, we couldn't bowl because the wait list, you probably heard, is 22 groups long. So we are just going to shop a little bit. We're in the Galleria, so we're going to see what kind of trouble we can get ourselves into.